On.
When? Alright guys, tonight we've been testing the glass door. Check it out. Fire's going hot, the glass is staying clean, Bobby's keeping warm. And now we're going to have some dinner. Now, many of you guys are going to ask, why are we cooking on a fry pan instead of the hot plate? Well, tonight we're going to make gravy. And you can't make gravy on, well you can, but it's a pain in the bum. So we're just going to keep it all located into that fry pan. And we're going to cook some smashburgers. Check these out. 2 smashburgers. Shit, that's getting hot. 2 smashburgers. And we've got cheese in the middle. We've got chili, we've got parsley, we've got garlic, and we've got onions, salt and pepper. And here we go. These are gonna be delicious. Check that out. These are called our smash burgers. And then we're going to get our little smasher and we're going to just press it down like that. I don't know how the cameraman's going. He's had a few
Had a few whiskeys.
But we're just going to get these on. Oh, put these on there like that. Smash them down a bit. Alright. Now you can back off a bit, cameraman. Watch the table. Right.
Where do you buy that smasher?
Where do I buy the smasher? I got it on Temu. Where you get all your shit from. So now while that's going, now this is last night's fat from the steak. And we're going to use it because it's full of flavour, it's full of fat. We're not adding any more fat to it. We're just going to make it more flavoursome. Once these cook, about a minute on each side. Should we set a timer? No, we'll guesstimate. But in the meantime, I'll go over this. This is what I've been trying to do for a while now, guys. And it's been trying to iron out all the little bugs in this glass door. A friend of mine, I won't mention his name, Johnny Marguerite. I went in for a coffee with him and just so happens as I walked past one of his little warehouse boxes, I came across these little brackets and it was just perfect for the job. I grabbed them and we're testing them out tonight and it seems to be doing the job quite well. And the door handle, we had problems with that. It's fixed now. I've got friends like the cameraman that seems to keep burning his, so this is not going to burn anymore. Still active. And while that's cooking, we're going to have a drink and I'll prepare the gravy. Here we go. All right. First of all, we're going to use Chardonnay, and that will deglaze the pan. And we're going to cheat a little bit and use a little bit of Gravox traditional gravy. And from there on, we're going to make our burgers. Look at that, looking good. You can hear the sizzle. Now flip those over. Oh, delicious. Look at that, nice and brown. Wow. Now the cheese is nice and soft and melted. And we want our burgers to be, how do you like it? Medium rare?
Yes, please.
That's just the way I like it. Look at that.
Smells good.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Now, we've been playing around with this glass window for quite some time now, and I've been inundated with calls from owners of the bulk fires. There's quite a lot of them around Australia, but unfortunately it takes time, because everybody's asked for a glass door, and it's easy to just put a glass door on a wood heater, but unfortunately what tends to happen is they go black. So because of the wood lets off steam, and it tends to just go black. So we've had to develop a new door, and the way we've developed it is by adding air flow through the actual frame, which then superheats and cleans the glass and keeps it clear. Trust me, it's been a long time coming, and it's been hard to try and manufacture something like that without going to a completely new frame, because the whole idea with the bulk fire is to make sure that from number 1 fire, bulk fire, to number 300, number 400, everything has to be retrofitted, so you can add anything you want to it. So it's not fair to the people that own one of these that they can't have a glass door. So we've decided to make it, it's taken time, but we've decided to make it so that from now on you can order your glass door frame, and it comes with the glass, comes with the handle, and it's just a bolt-on retrofit type of setup. And as you can see, it's staying clear, and that's the objective of the whole bulk fire project. Seems to be working fine. You can leave it open like this and enjoy an open fireplace, or you can close it and enjoy a glass door with a fire. You can also cook on the hot plate. We're not cooking on the hot plate tonight, but we are, in a sense. We're cooking with a fry pan on the hot plate, so you can see how much heat that generates. But the only reason we're doing that tonight in a fry pan is because we want to save the juices that are in the meat, the fats, the flavours, and make ourselves a nice gravy. So what we're going to do now is flip that over. So I think that's pretty much cooked. Doesn't take long to cook these burgers. So we're going to grab our plate and have a look at this. Oh, look at that. Medium rare. Melted cheese. Just the way we like it. Which one would you like?
I'll have either.
Either? It doesn't matter.
I'll be happy to eat it.
Okay, so that's looking nice now, so I'll just flip that over again and give it a bit more time. Look at that. That's looking delicious. And with all that fat from the burger, we're going to get ourselves a nice gravy out of it. What I'll do is I'll just throw another log on the fire. Just something to just speed it up a little bit. Oh, look at that. Oh, after all that hard work, I think it's time for another drink. Oh God, you made a really good drink, Nigel. We're having scotch with a dash of dry and some lime. Good job, mate. Not only are you a great cameraman, but you're a great barman.
Thank you.
Okay, we're ready to just transfer this over now. So here we go, one steak. And the second steak. Here, there. Steak here, look at that. It's cooked perfectly, medium rare. And it's still sizzling in there. Now all this fat here, what we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves some gravy. First off, I'm going to do this with the Gravox traditional gravy. Geez, it's so new I didn't even realise. I haven't even opened the can yet. Throw that in there. Just need 1 scoop of this. Sprinkle it around. That's all I need. And then I'm going to add, stroke that in there like that. Check this out. If you don't know how to make gravy the old-fashioned way and you buy it out of the, the pouch and everything else, well, you're missing out. Now I'm going to add a little bit of a dash of Chardonnay, just to deglade the pan a little bit. You hear that sizzling like that? And mix it all around. Whoa! Look at that. This is how our grandparents used to make gravy. I'm not sure if they used Chardonnay, but they basically just cleaned up the fry pan, got all the flavours and everything like that. And that's how you make gravy. It's that simple. It's not hard. The salt and pepper and all the seasoning and everything's already in the pan. It came from the burgers. So that's basically it. Look at that. Nice and thin, thick. And that's how you make gravy. And some people call it jus. I just call it gravy. Look at that. So, now, next step is, because this is a cast iron fry pan and it's very hot, I'm going to use a glove, because I've burnt myself so many times. I'll probably get 2 gloves because this cast iron fry pan is very heavy. And there's our gravy. Look at that. Now I'm going to pour that on our steak. Just like that. And we're done. Happy, bolty dinner. Look at that fire. Awesome. And now we'll give you our feedback after we have our dinner on how that went. Could taste absolutely crap, but I think it'll be good. Tune in.